What's up, everybody? I'm back with a new lecture, and today's lecture is going to be about fair value gap. How can you trade profitably by using fair value gaps? Most of the ICT traders use fair value gap, but they don't use it in the right way and end up losing money. Like you are supposed to earn money, and you don't use it the right way, so you end up losing your money. So today I'm going to show you the simplest technique of how you can use fair value gaps. So first, what is fair value gap? So you can see when a coin pumps or dumps, it leaves some gaps. You can see the gap between this candle and this candle. This is called fair value gap, like this small gap. This is called fair value gap. You can see it in different places. You can see this is also a fair value gap, the gap between the top of this candle and the bottom of this candle. So this is a fair value gap. Okay, I hope it's understood now. Now I will teach you how you can use it the right way. So in trading, we have some pairs which are directly related. You can see I have mentioned here Bitcoin and Ethereum, and they are related. Like if Bitcoin pumps, Ethereum also pumps. Similarly, Euro and GBP, they are correlated pairs, also called SMT pairs, and S&P and Nasdaq. They are also correlated. There are some others, but I have shown you this just for example, okay? So you can use the strategy on all of these, like on Bitcoin and Ethereum, Euro and GBP, or S&P and Nasdaq, etc. You can use it on Bank Nifty too. So this is Bitcoin chart, and we will use Ethereum here. So you can see this was the fair value gap, okay? You can see this is the gap in Bitcoin, okay? The fair value gap. And similarly, you can see this is the gap, the fair value gap on Ethereum. So what happened was Bitcoin pumped, okay, it came down, but this gap didn't get filled. Usually what ICT traders do is they wait for this gap to get filled and they put their orders here. But here you can see the orders didn't get filled. So I will tell you the reason why. Because you can see in Ethereum, it pumped and the gap got filled, okay. Bitcoin, it didn't get filled and Ethereum got filled. So once you see the other SMT pair where the gap is filled, but in one it's not filled, then you have to long, okay? Like when you see that Ethereum fair value gap is filled, you have to enter into your trades, whether it's Bitcoin or Ethereum. You cannot wait for this gap to get filled, and you can see you got a big pump. I will show you some more examples. Okay, so this is another example here. You can see this is the fair value gap, okay, in Bitcoin, and below you can see this was the fair value gap on Ethereum, okay? So again, what happened is the gap didn't get filled on Bitcoin and the gap got filled in Ethereum. So what happened next? You got pump from this area, okay? So this is another example. So you can find these fair value gaps and these SMT related filling and unfilling everywhere, okay, whether it's Forex or it's Bitcoin. So this was all about these gaps, like why these gaps get filled sometimes and sometimes they leave it unfilled, okay. So that's the reason, and you can use it to trade profitably, okay. Like you don't always have to wait for these gaps to get filled. Sometimes they will get filled, sometimes they will not.